Here we have an example of a 4-month-old puppy being bothered by me talking. We're doing article indication. Sees the article, not sure what to do. Makes the right decision. Track. Very little food on the track. Food at articles. That's it. So you saw me just not let him pass the article until he made the right decision. Just holding him. It's very difficult to do by yourself, one-handed. But we're making do. Okay. But not a whole lot I can do right now. Kind of hampered with handling the camera, trying to train. Okay. But you can see clearly that he understands that the articles have something to do with it. He smells that article way ahead, wants to get his treat, so he's turning around. So I'm just not going to play that game. He's got to come all the way up here, touch it with his nose, then he can get the treat. Track. Track. So I'm going to put a couple of treats on the articles so that when he comes back around, he can find those treats. Encourage him to want to come forward more. He's not finding any food on the track. All he knows is he has to lay down to get treats, so he's thinking, sooner I lay down, sooner I get a treat. Down. So we'll throw some food out ahead on the track, get him moving down the track again, and we'll leave food on the articles to help him. That's it. Down. Good. Throw some food ahead, and then I'm going to leave bait on this one. Got bait on a couple of the other ones already before he gets to the glove. I'll rebait this one after I restarting track. We'll see how he does as we proceed around this little circle track again. Down. That's it. Back. That's it. So you saw what I did. Just didn't let him come past the article till he laid down. Now we'll let him go on. I'm going to move this glove where it's a little easier to find. Almost got past me there. Down. That's it. We're basically teaching a secondary command. For down, we have a hand signal. For down, we have a verbal command for down. Track. Now we're teaching him articles mean down. Down. And like everything else in dog training, Just some repetition. Good. Track. That's fun. Proof and pudding. 4 months old. Nice deep nose. A lot of drive. Trying hard. Down. We'll make one more lap around. Call it good. That's it. Very nice. Very nice. Good. Track. So you're starting to understand it. Give him a chance to learn what to do on his own without me telling him. That's it. Good boy. Okay. So we can see young puppy making good progress. 4 months old. Tracks well. Good deep nose. A lot of concentration. A lot of drive. And coming to some understanding of articles and indication. So he wants to move forward. He wants to get the food that he thinks is ahead. So I'm just not going to let him go until he does the right behavior. So he lays down, but he's too far. So I'm going to bring him up here. Come on. Down. And help him. So, variable schedule reinforcement says he's going to get some treats sometimes. He's not going to get some treats sometimes. He's going to have to do better, slowly but surely. So, I think we're on the way here to make some progress with this puppy. He has an idea of what it is that he's supposed to do. He just doesn't quite got it yet. But, that's how you do it. Big circle. Articles all around the circle. I stay on the circle. I don't make any trail off the side. So it keeps a nice tight trail all the way around. Food in the beginning. And as we make progress, no food. Yes. Normally I wouldn't let him just stand around here and goof off on the trail, but what else am I going to do? I'm all by myself, right Gus? Gus, are you smart? Are you smart? That's a boy. You like tracking? Good. That's all for today. More later.